Hi viewers, welcome to DVS Mechanical CAD tutorial. In this video I am going to explain how to draw this simple model using Solidworks software with the help of the 2D sketch and using future tools, extrude and rib icons. Go to the files and select new and select the part and click OK. Now we're in Solidworks interface. Now based on this drawing we need to create a rough sketch like this, and the length 75 and 9 and height 40, overall 14. We need to create a sketch like this and select a required plane and select a sketch and select the line icon. First I need to draw a center line like this, and the center line overall height in the mention in the drawing 40 plus 9 49. Okay, now I need to create a rough sketch like this with the help of the line. Draw lines like this. After creating the line, select these three lines and select symmetry icon. Similarly, bottom lines also select these three lines and select symmetric icon. Now I am going to giving the dimension. This two dimension 9, okay, and the height 9, okay, and the length 75, okay. Now I am going to create a top circles like this and the 8 and 15 dimension. Now select the circle and draw it two circles and circle to circle distance 8. Select two circles and the give dimension 8 and inner circle diameter 15. Now select the line end point and circle. Select the coincident. Similarly opposite side also. Now and to draw a line, a coordinate point to coordinate point on both sides. After creating the coordinate lines, now we need to remove the unwanted lines with the help of the trim. Select the trim icon, select the power trim and hold the mouse left click and drag unwanted lines like this. Now our drawing is fully defined. Now OK, exit sketch, Ctrl 7 for isometric view and select the extrude option and 52 width and select the mid plane and give the dimension 52. Click OK. See, now we need to create the center wall thickness 8. Select the required print plane, select sketch icon and Ctrl 8 for the sketch view. Just draw a line this point to this point. Now our sketch is fully defined. Exit, Ctrl 7 for isometric view and select the rib icon and select the thickness option both sides and give the wall thickness 8 as mentioned. Select 8 and observe the arrow side. This arrow mention should solid side only. Click on OK. And like this we need to create opposite side also with help of the mirror option. Select the rib and select the mirror option and drop down the model tree and select a required plane. Just click OK. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos.